Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write essay on effect of Diwali on environment with headings in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First heading is Introduction. Diwali, the festival of lights, is one of the most celebrated festivals in India. It brings joy, happiness, and togetherness. However, the way Diwali is celebrated can sometimes have negative effects on the environment. Understanding these impacts can help us celebrate in an eco-friendlier manner. Next subheading is Air Pollution. One of the biggest environmental concerns during Diwali is air pollution. During Diwali, people use a lot of fireworks. These fireworks make the air dirty. The smoke from fireworks has harmful things in it that we can breathe in. This can make people sick, especially those who already have breathing problems. Next subheading is Noise Pollution. Firecrackers not only cause air pollution but also create a lot of noise. The noise from fireworks can scare animals and birds. It can also bother people, especially babies, old people, and sick people. Next subheading is waste generation. Waste generation. Diwali also leads to a lot of waste. The wrappers of firecrackers, decorations, and sweets packaging often end up as garbage. Most of this waste is non-biodegradable, meaning it does not break down easily and can harm the environment for a long time. Next subheading is conclusion. While Diwali is a festival of joy, it is important to celebrate it responsibly. By reducing the use of firecrackers, using eco-friendly materials, and being mindful of waste, we can protect the environment and still enjoy the festival.